How to increase quality in Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can increase quality in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Netflix quality depends upon various factors. The first factor is the internet connection. If you have a decent internet connection, your Netflix quality will automatically load up in a good speed. The second factor is your current plan. So if you have 720p plan, you will get 720p and not more than that. If you have 1080p, you will get 1080p. So if you want to change or upgrade your plan depending upon which quality you want, go to netflix.com from your browser. Tap the three lines option from the top left, then just go to this option here known as account. Then after you go to the account option, just make sure to scroll down. Here you can see change plan. Tap on the change plan button. Now currently I have the 4K, which is the most expensive plan by the way. So if you want to buy that, you can select the premium plan, or you can go for standard that offers you 1080 pixels of quality. If you chose mobile or basic, then you might have a fairly lower quality than usual. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can increase your quality in Netflix. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.